Island style will make you smile. Tap ta da 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 da. Bush! Come join our experience each and every episode with Island style kitchen. Cooking. Yaksta the bush lad said that. Waklak skum. Skalai boom. Bututum. Bush. Hey yo! But it's scrolling and clicking. Why you feel like chef over there mouth is dripping? Because they had just subscribed to Island Style Kitchen. Yaksta the bush lad and that's that. Waklak skum. Skalai boom. Take it away with the gravy. Pow!
Wagwan, what's up people? Welcome back to Island Style Kitchen. Yeah man, there again, another day in the kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my vegan fried rice in Island Style Kitchen. Yeah man, so just stay tuned and watch Wagwan. But you see, before we get into the cooking, I want to take this time out to big up this channel. Yes people, the name is New Link from New Link Production, the attacking boss. Yeah man, New Link is a big YouTuber who keep you up to date with the latest news from right around the world. If you are a small YouTuber and you want your channel to grow, people, New Link put the fertilizer in your channel. We moved from 500 to 1,000 subscribers in like a week because New Link said attack Island Style Kitchen. So right now, if you want your channel to grow as a small YouTuber, just go and go link New Link and your channel going to grow, and this is guaranteed. Yeah man. So right now the link will be in my description down below to the attacking boss, and New Link will put the fertilizer in your channel and your channel grow to make you reach that 1,000 mark where all small YouTubers want to reach. Yeah man, New Link Production. So right now we are going to jump into the kitchen and I'm going to show you how I make my vegan fried rice. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using today for my vegan fried rice. Over here I have some chopped onions, I have some chopped bell pepper aka sweet pepper, red and green. I also have some chopped garlic there. I have some sweet vegan soya sauce here. Over here I have some steamed rice, some basmati rice. This is some leftover from yesterday, so be creative people and don't throw away your overnight rice. Over here I also have some chopped cabbage. I have some mixed beans and vegetable here. I also have some broccoli. I have some stir-fry oil over here, some sesame oil, and some low sodium soya sauce. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using today to make my vegan fried rice. Stay tuned and watch what's happening in Island Style Kitchen. I'm going to start off with some stir-fry oil. I am going to go in with some chopped garlic. Alright, so this I'm going to use to saute my cabbage and my broccoli. Put it in with my broccoli. I don't want these to cook too much. I'm just sauteing them just a little bit. Notice I'm not putting any salt or pepper on them because soya sauce and the soya sauce has salt in it. Even though the soya sauce is low sodium, people, it's still salt, so I'm not putting any salt in this. Alright peeps, so I just put that aside because I do not want to overcook those vegetables, so I saute them and put them to the side. I'm going in with some more garlic. I'm also going to go back in with some stir-fry oil. I am also going to add some sesame oil. The sesame oil, people, gives it a nice flavor. Real nice flavor the sesame oil give fried rice. If you notice, a lot of people will have egg in their fried rice. The thumbnail told you it's a vegan fried rice, so I'm not using any eggs. I'm going to go in with my peppers and my onion. I'm going to saute these, extract the juices from them to give the rice some flavor. Yes, I do not want these veggies to overcook, so I'm just sauteing them for a little bit. I want them to still be crunchy. I'm going to go in now with my bean mix and veggie mix. The beans will be the protein replacement for the egg in this dish. Yes, people, remember it's a vegan fried rice. We're not using any meat, any dairy product, no eggs. This is a vegan dish. I'm going to now go in with my rice. I'm going to list the ingredients below in the description. I'm not going to have measurement on them because if you notice I am not measuring. You have to just judge and know what tastes nice to you and do your thing. People, this is a quick meal. Very, very, very quick meal. And healthy meal. So you can have this with like some sauteed mushrooms or some steamed veggies. Or you could just eat this by itself as a meal. Yes, people. Vegan fried rice. Alright, so I'm going to go back in with the broccoli and the cabbage. Now. Alright. So you guys should definitely go and check that soya sauce out. You see the colors on this, people, how beautiful it is? Yes, people. Vegan fried rice it is. If you have a day where you don't feel like eating any meat, this will be the perfect dish for you to cook. Yeah. And this is pretty much ready, people. Yes, viewers and subscribers, see there? Fried rice ready. I'm just going to sprinkle some green onion, or we call it scallion in Jamaica, and this. And I'm going to turn it off because I don't want them to cook too much. Green onion or spring onion or scallion complements fried rice. I stir that in and my fried rice is ready. Island style kitchen. You know, from an island style, it can't spoil. Yes, people, so I'm going to share out some of this fried rice to present to you. You will see it on the thumbnail. Yes, people, so here you have it. Island style kitchen. Vegan fried rice or vegetable fried rice. Yeah man, it's a very delicious and healthy recipe, so feel free to go and try it. I want to say thank you guys very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy the video, consider subscribing to my channel. Yeah man, the red button right down here, so just click the button, say subscribe, and subscribe to the channel, and turn on all post notification bells so you don't miss out on future